and I'm the IT and networking specialist here at MB Pathology. We're currently using CrelioHealth as our laboratory management information system. We currently have around 15 analyzers which are interfaced with CrelioHealth across multiple disciplines. We have found the interfacing of the analyzer very straightforward with no interruption, and we would highly recommend CrelioHealth to other healthcare providers because of how streamlined processes, especially when it comes to sample loading and result transmission onto our LIMS. We would also highly recommend CrelioHealth because not only do they have a very excellent customer service, they have also a great support team, especially when you need help to with troubleshooting at any hours. They also listen to their clients, to the feedbacks that we have. One thing that we like about them is that they listen to us, especially when it comes to improving our services. So we would definitely recommend CrelioHealth to all the healthcare providers out there.